As you probably may have noticed in my first vlog, I know very little about editing and like vlog things that I need. So if you guys have suggestions for how I can make it better, like just type it down in the comments and I'll see what I can do. Wanna go for a walk? Wanna go to Nancy's place? High five! Good boy! Do this. How long is that gonna take you? Where? Yes, yes. Alright, and this is place. I had the idea that I'm gonna start vlogging. I promised myself that I won't put Charlie in like every single shot, but I just don't think that's gonna be possible. I'm sorry.
The head of heartbreak, one step the head.
Sure. That's baby. This is their new home they're moving into. Ilya, say hi to the vlog.
You're vlogging?
Yes.
Yes.
Like and subscribe, please.
I'm my most beautiful self right now.
Good, that's authentic app.
Subscribe so we can get paid.
Yeah, sponsored content.
Unfiltered,
Yeah, raw footage, never seen. Yeah. No, I'm not. I was trying to figure out where to put the vlog camera so we can. Breakfast, I pretty much eat the same thing. I eat turkey, bacon, and eggs. That's what I like, and that's what I eat every day. Oh, and I have avocado with it, but far more. Tag along. Where are you wearing your hat? From the sun?
Yeah.
Why are you naked?
Scaredy cat.
That was to be the same old fool for you I used to be. I'm only
Ready? Alright, what'd you do? Latte art.
I have a workshop coming up next Saturday.
Is it? How much is it?
It's only like $300.
So we actually got rid of the huge grill that was taking up half of our deck right here, and I'm gonna order another hammock, and we're gonna have like a nice deck to hang out on. I'm gonna make this low carb chicken recipe that I found online. Pretty much it's chicken tenders and like mushrooms and a bunch of greens like herbs and cilantro and stuff like that. I'll post or I'll vlog the finished product. Okay, so I just finished cooking for tomorrow and today dinner, and this I can't even explain to you guys. It took me 20 minutes to make, and it was so delicious. It's so delicious, and it's literally like 5 ingredients, which is how I like to cook. The less the better. I'll post the link and bio for you guys. And if you try, let me know because it's seriously so good. After like 2 years of being married, I think it's time to get a new ID. And this time I'm actually trying. I put my makeup on, I wash my hair and stuff. I'll show you guys my old one. It's horrid. It just scares me every time I look at it. Look how pretty this DMV is. It's like right in the forest. I should come here more often. Just to hang out. Have a picnic at the DMV. Yeah, I should lock the car in my wallet. Okay, let's get this done. Let me just show you guys the scariest picture in the world. That's why I'm actually trying this time. It's so ugly. Vanessa just goes crazy. We just set our money on fire. But it's worth it. We just set our money on fire at Trader Joe's. What's new? So how much was yours?
$94.
Ilya, don't watch this vlog. Mine was 70 something, but
Oh, wow.
I'll show you guys what I bought later. It's all really delicious.
It's expensive for the cat food.
Yeah, let's see how much cat food you bought. Only
It keeps going.
Oh,
Only the best for my babies.
oh my god. I don't know when I became the guy who reads labels. Are you filming it?
Yes.
Okay, but I am literally that guy now. And I'll like post, I'll vlog some of the foods that I bought at Trader Joe's right now, but yeah, it's actually kind of fun. You're like standing there and you're like, that guy, you know, that reads labels. That was me. It's weird. We live so close together now?
I know we're gonna live so close. It's so awesome. I'm like excited. I don't have
All the goods. Oh yeah. And all the keto things. Mushrooms, prosciutto. And I got these seasoning things. I've tried only this one, but if you want to try the bagel one. Yeah, let me know if there's anything else I should try from Trader Joe's. This stuff is gonna be so good. Do you like kimchi? You don't? Oh my gosh. Don't trust people who don't like kimchi. Look at how questionable she looks. It gains weight too. Yeah.
You have to work out to look good.
So this is the breakfast. I'm having some prosciutto, avocado, egg, and salsa on top.